Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eren Jonathan Spring, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Smart Fruit. I was requested by my friend to give you a little bit of information about me and what I do in our business, and I thought that would be a nice opportunity to do so. So, first of all, I'm 35. I was born here in the United States. I was raised abroad, and I served the Army between the age of 18 to 21. I came back to the States and I studied psychology and biology. After that, I decided to join to med school. And a few years after that, I decided that really this is not what I wanted to do. I was more passionate about being an entrepreneur and create different brands. And so I quit med school to start my own company. So our company, the brand is called Smart Fruit. Smart Fruit is 100% fruit and vegetable in a bottle without any preservatives, additives, added sugar, or anything except for the fruit and the vegetable. The reason why we decided to start this brand is because all the products and all the smoothie mix products that are out there are saturated with sugars and different ingredients. So we thought that the first thing would be to try to solving a problem. The beauty of this product is that it could be mixed with ice, and then it helps whomever owns a restaurant or a coffee shop to make different drinks and smoothies and desserts all by using one product instead of using a variety of products and doing all that without the sugars but only with the fruit. I understand that you guys are concentrating on sales strategies and metrics as far as how do we gauge the sales and what do we do. So our marketing strategy with this product had a few different avenues. We invested a lot in SEO, which is search engine optimization, that will bring the result of our campaign on the top list on Google. We also do a lot of trade shows all around the world in which we can find buyers and talk to them one-to-one. We can demonstrate a product and have them taste the product. We also use, Amazon came to us in one of the trade shows and offered to put the product in, and they engage in a whole variety of marketing, which is another avenue for our business. And of course, we engage also in direct email marketing campaigns and mail marketing campaigns. In respect to Salesforce and metrics, we basically try to figure out, the first thing that we do is we try to figure out what is the customer acquisition cost for every customer that we bring in. So whether we engage in a mailing campaign or email campaign or trade shows, I guess that we try to figure out what's the cost for every customer and if one stream of avenue makes sense to pursue or not. The sales strategy of us is, first of all, try to spot the right customers. The customers, usually those would be coffee shops, restaurants, bars that would use the product to make cocktails, and anyone who would really use the product for any purpose. We ship samples, they test the product. If they like the product, they send us back an application, and this is how we establish, and it's usually, this is a business that's based on a repeat business. It's very important for us that if they already carry if they're already carrying a competing brand, those customers get priority because they're easy to convert. In other words, if we're competing against a different brand that sells a smoothie mix, whether it contains sugar or other ingredients, it's easier to win that customer comparing to a customer that's not using any smoothie mix at all and making their smoothies by using really fresh or frozen fruits. So when we are defining the customers, we want to make sure that we are going after the right group and that they're already using a similar product and that we can visualize how the product can be used in their business. How do I measure my team performance in respect to that? So we launched this brand only last year. We had certain goals for sales. We use a software that's called Salesforce, in which we can see the activity of every salesperson and what they achieve and the customers that they can come across, so we don't trying to follow up the same customer twice. We basically gauge our success in sales and repeat customers. And also there are a few tiers of customers. So we have the end user, which is the coffee shop that can buy the product from us, but then we can also sell the product to the distributor, and then the distributor could sell the product to the end user. So I guess that a success could be defined if we find a lot of distributors that would carry our product, and then they would be the one who use their sales force to sell the product to their end customers and users. And this way we don't have to handle and manage hundreds of accounts directly. We simply give this business to the distributors. So I guess that the overall measure of success is one, the sales, how many sales we've made, what was the acquisition cost of a customer comparing to the sale, meaning if it costs us $20 to acquire a customer, how many repeat orders, what's the volume that customer will use of this product, and how fast it will pay it back, how sustainable the customer is, will they continue using the product, and then what type of customer are we talking about? Is this the end user, or is it a distributor that wants to carry the product for us and then use their sales force and assets to promote our product? So as far as rewards, how do we reward our sales force? We have a breakdown. If they reach a certain amount of sales, they're getting compensated in addition to their base salary. So we gauge success by performance, by a base salary, in addition to commissions. In this case, the structure is about $1 of every unit sold goes to commissions. And I guess that this is pretty much it. If you have any more questions, you guys are welcome to reach out to us. So for now, obrigado por asistir. Thank you.